Hey guys! Valentine's Day is coming and I decided to show you a aphrodisiac appetizer idea. I'm gonna show you today how I shuck oysters, how I smoke them, and how I make sauce. Let's get started.
I have here very well washed oysters. You have to go between two shelves. There is like incision right here. So you put the shucking knife and you kind of have to wiggle. To support that, I use old kitchen towel and press with my palm on and just put that shucking knife and wiggle using some pressure. And ta-da! It's released. Now you have to detach two shells. One attachment's right here, and then there is another one right here. So you can use the same knife or other knife to detach and then flip it over. Why do we flip? Because we all have our prettiest sides. And then just place it on the ice. For smoking, I picked few oysters. I have it over ice. I have a cover which has an incision for smoke infuser. How to use smoke infuser, I'll put the description down below. I have a full video for it. So I cover oysters. I put smoke infuser inside. I'm using today apple wood chips, just like this. You start the smoker. Just press the button. I'm sorry it didn't fit in my camera. So when the smoke starts going, you go maybe for 20-30 seconds. Turn off the smoker and that's it, and let oysters to sit for 30 minutes. After 30 minutes, that's what I have. You can see they changed a little bit of color. Ice has changed color. For the sauce, just mix all the ingredients together. Serve oysters with lemons and with the sauce on the side. And enjoy! And if you like what you see, please don't forget to give me thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more recipes and ideas. Thanks for watching!